everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and I am here with a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks for the first week of July, which is July the 1st through the 7th. And I also want to do a quick flip through of my insert that I'm using as a daily. It's actually a weekly insert, but I'm using it as a daily insert, as well as my monthly setup in my Hobonichi weeks. So if you want to see the setup and my plan with me, keep watching. All right, so what I'm going to show you first is the insert that I got from Annie Plans Printable. It's an undated weekly insert, and I'll kind of show you what it looks like at first. So it looks like this. It's a 4-page insert where you have this week, and then you have Monday through Wednesday, and then Thursday through Sunday here. But I use this as a daily so I can kind of jot down the things that I need to remember that I can't fit in the actual Hobonichi. It seems a little bit redundant, but it works for me. And I'm a firm believer, the more that you write it, the more repetitive you do things, the more you remember, and I'm trying not to forget anything. So what I did was I used the leftover stickers that came from a kit that I used in my A5, in which you'll probably be seeing that video later on during the week. But these stickers came from the planning accessory. And then these cute little doll stickers came from, come from Stickers by Rhonda, in which I PR for her shop. And then this cute little sticker here, this is like the couple sticker by Van Sticky, and I love her stickers. This is what it looks like on the sheet, and because it's me and my husband's anniversary, I thought it would be cute to add that there. So this is this week and Monday through Wednesday, and then I have the next page, which is Thursday through Sunday. And because it's a daily, most of the times I update this as the day goes, or if I know it's something that I need to do, like some of these things I've already pre-written, is because I know I need to do it. All right, so this next portion is my monthly section in my actual Hobonichi weeks, and I used a kit from Kaden Mom's shop, and y'all know she's like one of my favorite Hobonichi shops right now. And so I used all the stickers except for maybe like about, I don't know, I can show you better than I can tell you. These are like all the stickers I had left, and I really don't use too many payday stickers. Since I'm a hairstylist, I really don't. I'd be using more payday stickers than what comes in the kits. So anyway, I used all of the stickers that came in the kit. The only stickers that I pulled from that were not from the kit was this cute little bit sticker, and she was actually part of a freebie. But I thought she was really cute. She got on her little skirt and has her little clutch in her hand. Let's zoom in a little bit closer so you can see her. Isn't she cute? She looks like she's about her business. And then I added the not today, because you know Mondays you always feel like not today. And then this cute little Coffee Monday sticker from See Amy Draw. And with my monthly, I kind of fill out as I go, just to kind of show you last month's monthly. I can't really talk. It's not a lot of activity, but there is some activity, so I don't use it 100% of the time, but when there are important dates, I tend to use. And July is going to be a busy month, so I'll probably use this section a lot more than normal. So now what we're going to do is set up for the first week of July, and I'm using this cute hobo kit from Bunny Plans, and it is a very basic kit. You have your bottom washi, your top washi, checklist stickers, 3 box stickers, and some icon stickers, and then you have your date strip, in which you know I love. So I think I'm going to leave this week's spread a little more functional than normal, but we're going to go ahead and still have fun with it. So you want to see how I set up my spread, keep watching. All right, before we get into planning, here is a quick glimpse at last week's After the Pen. So now what I'm going to do is to go ahead and outline the perimeter of my Hobonichi weeks using this Tombow mono drawing pen in 05. It is perfect for doing your lines, whether you use the 01, 3, or 5. It dries pretty much instantly, so you don't have to worry about that smudge that happens when you're using other gel style pens. And the reason being is because this is a water-based pigmented ink marker, so it's definitely keeping you from all the smudging. So I just had to go and touch that little part up because I didn't press down hard enough for the line. So as I'm doing the outline, I did speed this up quite a bit just because I just didn't want this video to be super long. So this week I didn't use date dots. I went ahead and filled in the dates on the date cover, in which y'all know I like, not date cover, the date strip. I am a fan of any kit that has date strips. So now I'm just going to lay my bottom washi. And if any of you guys know of a shop in which I can't shop until next month because I'm doing No Spin July with Michelle. But if y'all know of any shops that sells just Hobonichi washi, just the bottom and the top, let me know, because I have like a lot of stickers that I want to use that aren't a part of a kit, but I don't have washi that matches. And I could use like my Simply Gilded or my other washi, but it's see-through, and I really like the washi that's made specifically for the Hobonichi. So now I'm just adding my check box stickers, and I'm just giving them a little bit of separation from the date strip, because I wanted to go ahead and create an outline around that as well. And in doing this spread and the one from last week, I realized that I really like doing the outline when the kits are very minimal, when there's not a lot of stickers. So typically when you have like a one sheet Hobonichi kit, well, I'll say for me, I'm realizing that I like to do the outlining because it gives it a little more, just a little more flair, a little more character. Because there's less stickers to use. Like when you get a full, I guess you would consider it a full Hobonichi kit, when it has like 2 pages where you get more of the long vertical line stickers and all of that good stuff. So you have to be a little more creative if you are more of a decorative functional planner like myself. So I will tell you this much: I am loving how I did the right side of the page last week, so I definitely wanted to do the same thing with this week, and I made sure that I left enough space for my next week's section, because last week I started doing my to-do list and my shopping list, and I forgot to leave enough space for my next week. So this week I definitely made sure I did that. So now what I'm doing, let me tell you, like legit, I don't know what cut settings Bunny Plans use, but that little happy 4th of July banner, that is like a super ultra micro mini sticker. And I will say this, typically when you have stickers that are small like that, especially when it has like little intricate curves and stuff, when you go to pull them off the sheet, they end up kind of tearing, or you got to be very careful. But these stickers came like straight off the page, no issue. So shout out to Bunny Plans for the perfect cut settings. So now I'm just kind of zhuzhing up the right side, since it is a 4th of July spread. I wanted to make sure I had the flags on there, let freedom ring and all that good stuff. And here, because the kit did not come with tracker stickers, I decided to kind of create my own by using my handy dandy ruler, making my own little box. And as you can see, I kind of put the days of the week at the top, and then I'm going to go ahead and kind of lightly use my red color Papermate ink Joy pen, and it's in a 0.5. So I just made sure I just lightly colored it in, because one, These pages are super thin, and I didn't want it to bleed through the other side. And then 2, I wanted to kind of stay in the lines as much as possible. So now I'm just adding these cute little laundry and cleanup stickers that came from Pink Sunshine Designs. And I'm not really sure if she still has these particular stickers in her shop, because I've ordered those probably like a year ago. A lot of my tiny stickers I ordered probably like last year, middle of last year sometime. So a lot of the stuff I noticed these shops don't have. So I'm using this little divider sticker that came from Planner Kate's shop, and I really like them. I got them in multiple colors. That way I can kind of divide up the sides. I'm using these super small script stickers from C. Amy Draw, and these from Sweet Caress Designs. Now I'm going to tell you this Get It Done sticker, that's going to be like even after I end my video, well, not in the video, but in this part of the video, the actual planning and stuff, that's going to be moved in a whole nother place. Or did I show it? I don't know. But anyway, so I got to add a sticker showing a little girl holding a cup of coffee. And Saturdays are normally the days that I need coffee more frequently than any, because that's like the earliest day I get up for work out of my whole work week. And normally, so let me just kind of give you my breakdown. I am off Sunday through Tuesday. I go back into the salon on Wednesday, in which Wednesdays are kind of light, which are cool. But then when we get into Friday, I'm normally there from like 9:30 to 8 or 9. Then by the time I get home, get myself together, then it's time to be right back up at the shop. So that's my little story about my work schedule. So now I'm using these these dot stickers that came out of a kit that I got from the Stationery Muse. And y'all make sure you check her shop out, because she has more than just kits. She has stickers and shirts and journals and all of those things. So y'all make sure y'all go support her. She is an amazing person and shop owner. So now, like I said, I'm trying to use all of the stickers. I use everything except for those 2 girls and the flag. I just wasn't feeling that sticker. So because I didn't want to use that full box, I decided to make like mini quarter boxes out of this. And then that way I can kind of pencil something, but not really pencil, but ink something in on those boxes. And here I'm just readjusting stickers like I always do. I lay stuff, I look at it, and I figure I need to move some stuff around. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the voiceover for this part, because this was 20 minutes of video, crunched down to 8 minutes, and I feel like I've been talking like 1,000 miles a minute. So let's go ahead and finish this up real quick. All right, love, so this is it. This is my setup in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of July the 1st through the 7th. Now, after I finished and I took my photos, I decided to kind of move a couple of things around. I just moved these 2. So I didn't want so much of this stuff jumbled up on the 4th. So I moved the little girl grilling over in the middle and the Happy 4th of July banner there. That way it still gave me some room to jot down some things if something came up on Thursday. I am working Thursday. I'm a hairstylist, so for me, as long as the clients are going to come, I'm going to work. The only time that we really do anything on the 4th of July is the latter part of the evening, once the sun has died down a little bit and it gets a little cooler, because nobody likes cooking out in the heat. And I'm definitely going to somebody's cookout. And this sticker is so cute. Let me just put you up close. You can see the smoke from the grill from those burgers. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. Like, I love my Hobonichi because it allows me to be really fun, in my opinion, and use some stickers that I wouldn't use in my other spreads. I probably can, but I tend to try to be more on the classic side. in my A5, and since this is so cute and compact and little, I'm like, gotta have fun with this. So it's very functional. Like I stated, I'm really falling in love with the simplicity, or the minimal, I guess what they call it, minimalistic. Almost like animalistic. But I'm really liking having this, because like I showed you from last week, it really gave me a lot of room to write, and it was, right now this is like my favorite so far. I'm loving the color of this spread. Like, I need to get more colors like this, but we're talking about this spread right now. So yeah, so this kit was really fun. It was just enough stickers to do what I needed to. I was able to time some elements from some other stickers that I had, and I want to encourage you all. I'm doing this No Spend July, and I'm saying it publicly because I'm needing accountability. My good girlfriend Michelle is putting me on this no spend, so I'm going to be trying to shop my stash. I do have some printables, but I don't even need to use printables. I got so many Hobonichi kits, it's ridiculous. Yeah, and I'm only on month 3 of my Hobonichi. But anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a happy 4th of July, and be safe, have fun, but be safe. I'm gonna say that again. And then as well, just a reminder, if you are looking for a reading plan for the month of July, Lisa, Mac, and I, our Mary and Martha Plans group, we do have a reading plan that starts on July 1st. So by the time you've seen this, it's already started, but it's all about freedom, and these colors just reminded me of the reading plan, so I want to just put that out there. So if you're interested, all you have to do is look up Mary and Martha Plans on Instagram or Facebook, and the information will come up for you. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment below if you have any questions. I will try to remember, as always, to at least leave the shop names so you can look them up on IG at your leisure. But the kit did come from Bunny Plans, and she is on Etsy. So if this video has inspired you, do me a really big favor and share this video with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.